Yes, 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 my online entrepreneurs, the ones that want to get out of the 9 to 5, break out that madness, guys. We're ready for another one. This one's an essential one. This one's a whole shop one, an entire store one. This is the one. You got to know this. I'm going to be looking at this entire store, whole shop kind of bundle, just to kind of touch on it and just really tell you about the importance of this if you don't already know. Also, when to kind of do it, how to do it, just a few little tips as well, because I think it's important. Because if you're not doing a whole store and you got a few listings, you got decent amount of listings, you're literally putting cash on the table and you're not really utilizing it. So you got to do this, guys. You got to do it for real. But anyways, as usual, if you love digital products, you love creating, researching, listing, and all of that mad Etsy stuff, then please hit like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and please share, because it's nice to share. We're nice people. Let's share. Come on. Anyways, let's go. So look, I typed in entire store. You can type in whole shop, whole store, whole store bundle, right? You can type in different things. I typed entire store, and look, what I've got is these loads of entire store listings. I mean, these whole shop bundles, whole stop listings are becoming the thing, I mean, I know being around for a bit, but I'm telling you, they're everywhere, these entire stores. And I tell you something, customers love it. Customers love this. They want this. They crave for these. They love to have access. And there's also other things like lifetime access, unlimited lifetime access. Look at this one. Unlimited. How'd you get unlimited? Check this one out. You get unlimited lifetime access. Check that out, man. Now, so let's get back. Anyway, let's get back. And you know what? They are very lucrative. And what's beautiful about them is you're doing the listings anyway, so it makes absolute sense just to put it all in one. Sometimes I hear people saying, nah, but I don't want to give people access to my store. And I'm like, what? Are you serious? Like, you're giving them access anyway when you're doing the listings. You might as well just give them. So I'd like to actually hear, tell me if you're not a fan of giving access to whole store. Are you a fan or not? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're not a fan, I'd love to know why, because you know what? I think you should be a fan, but that's my opinion. But let me know either way, right? Let me know either way. So look at this entire store bundle access, man. Let's have a look at this one. Let's just take this one as an example, right? So I like this actually. I think I like this store. I know this store. Yeah, so it's 15,000 plus images added monthly. Gee, it's got a 75% off sale. I mean, look, it's $68. That's with the 75% sale. So it's good cash. And if it's listings you've done already, then why not? Look at this. And how it works, for those of you that don't know, is you have smaller bundles, right? You have smaller bundles. So in this case, look, you got loads of smaller bundles that make up the entire store bundle, right? So look, for example, you have bundles in this case, 130 turkey images, 65 cottage house, 66 autumn leaf, 67 autumn black woman, 67 autumn brown hair, autumn gnomes. Gnomes, I know you, I see you everywhere. Autumn library. Okay. So this is like an autumn, this feels like this is an autumn feel. That's interesting, right? They put them grouped it in sort of in autumn sort of. You got these ones. Look at these, right? 56 image cocktails. 50 what was that? Cup of choco. 61 horses, 113 coffee, 74 books. So basic 51 graveyards. Ooh. So it's that kind of bundles that literally they put together, and people have access basically to all of their images. Makes a lot of sense, because let's see how much this one's making. I haven't seen how much this actual entire store has made. I've seen a few of these listings before, but let me see how much the entire store is actually making, right? Let me just analyze this. And guys, as usual, I'll go to my go-to, EVERBEE, the one, the diamond finder, the nugget finder, EVERBEE. Check out free access just there. And this is what gives me all the stats. But look at this, guys. Look, from basically nothing, because I'll say nothing, not nothing, but like from having your listings already there, like they're already there, and just adding a further listing, which is a whole store listing, This seller's making an extra basically $3,175, right? It's on a sale right now, so you got to take it into account, right? That's pretty good, right? That's pretty good. And I tell you something, people are making some serious cash on whole store. In fact, some of the best listings for digital products are entire store, just so you know, right? And I'm going to show you this and validate this with you. Now, there's the other thing that you'd really need to understand is if you are not doing entire stores or whole school bundles, you know, you are, like I said, you will be moving, if you do whole school, sorry, bundles or entire store, you will be moving into a very, very unsaturated market as well. You're actually going to have more eyes on your listings. The beauty about creating a whole store or an entire shop bundle is that you'll get more people coming to your store, more people seeing what you sell. And that's a fact. And let me show you how this is a fact. Look at this. This is some of the listing tags that the seller has. This is some of the listings that the seller has for their whole entire store listing, right? So they've included things like clip art bundle, you know, floral, fine art, digital clip art, PNG, right? All the standard stuff for clip arts, right? But check this out. One of the listing tags is keywords is whole school bundle. The whole school, whole school, talking about too early, man. Whole shop bundle, right? Whole shop bundle. Whole shop bundle has a volume of 572 people searching every month, right? There's a competition of 1,981 only. It has a fabuloso keyword score of 290. Guys, that is an absolute gold. If this is not telling you that you need to do a whole shop, then I don't know what is, because it's telling you pure black and white, right? It's telling you in numbers, it's science-based that you must do a whole shop bundle because it's unsaturated. And check this out. If that didn't work, check this out. Entire shop bundle, the volume is 326 on a monthly basis. Now remember, please, that also people type in these things in different combinations. So it's not just 326. Someone might type in shop entire or bundle whole shop, different ways, and they'll still be able to see you, right? But look, if you typed in entire shop bundle, 326 people go on an Etsy search bar every single month and type it in, right? It's only got a competition of 609. Like only 609 competition when people have that as a keyword. It's got a monster keyword score of 540. So basically, you must do an entire shop bundle because it will help your sales no end. Do you get me? Do you understand that concept, man? You got to understand this concept. Go and do an entire shop, right? You might say to me, yeah, but AJ, I got only 60 listings, man. Well, listen, it's okay. I'm not saying 60 listings is good, but let's just do some more analysis, right? You know me, I like numbers. So let's do this. But what we have got now is we know that typing in whole shop or entire shop bundles is fantastic as a keyword. So having it in your title is going to help you no end. Now, let's do some more research. Check this out, man. This is beautiful. I love this. I needed to share this with you because some people ask me like, you know, AJ, what's going on? Should I do an entire shop? And I'm like, yes. Hell yes. Hell yes, man. So, like, check it out, man. Let me go to product analytics. Let's have a look at this. Have a little gander. Have a little look. Check it out, man. Look at this. I mean, this is ridiculous, right? I mean, one listing every single month gets $54,000, 708. $54,000, guys. $708. 54,000. Do you know how many times I'm gonna say this? This entire store, right, makes 54K, over 54K, man. Isn't that wow? Wow. I mean, imagine that. That is good. 20 plus in a basket. It is on a sale right now for the next 6 hours, it says. So you must take that into account. But guys, oh my God. Oh my God. Let's go to it. Let's go to the store. Let's see what it's given, what the entire access is. I mean, come on. I mean, look, it's a great store. So basically, you are getting access to 895 listings. You are basically having access to 895 listings, which gets over 54K, right? We're looking at the numbers, how many listings mean entire stores, right? And every store is different. Every store has, there is no number basically to having an entire, to having a listing for an entire store. In this case, it's 895, right? Now, let me show you some more, okay? Let me show you some more. They are all different, right? This is a mega SVG bundle, right? This is making $13,000, right? This is making $13,000. Let's just have a look and see how many listings this has. Good conversion as well, decent conversion, right? Let's have a look. So let's see what this one has. 20 plus in a basket. These things are bestsellers and they're so like popular, man. That how many listings does this have? This one actually has more listings, right? It almost has double. This one has 1,560, right? Do you see that? The other one is making more money, it's half the listings almost, right? Mad, isn't it? It's mad. So it's not necessarily about how many listings, but how many listings does it take to do entire bundles? See, this entire lifetime or sorry, entire store. Now, lifetime is also an added thing which I wanted to talk about because I believe adding that lifetime access elevates your store even more. Let's have a look at this one. This one is the whole shop of which says lifetime access, right? Let's go to this one. It's making $8,428 a month. Just that one listing, right? Pretty cool. What's beautiful about this is you make money from the listings and then you make the extra bit from that entire one. Wow, this one's a lot of listings to be fair. 3,938. That's a lot of listings, right? That's a lot of listings. You know, some people's strategy is actually creating listings consistently so that very soon, hopefully, they can do an entire store. And that's a good strategy as well because the entire store, these are all entire stores. And look at that, from 54,000, I know that's a mad one. That's crazy. But look at all of these are 8, 7K, you know, good money. But what I wanted to do is I wanted to see a listing. I wanted to go down and just to see if there was a listing that had not as many and just how much it is, how much it's making. Now this is a now it's good to see recent ones. This is a 1-month-old listing, right? They've actually just done this a month ago at this entire access, entire shop, and they're already making 3,743, right? It's got a conversion of 44,000. Isn't that mad? Like 44,000. No, 44%, right? Let me go to the listing again. Sorry. Because this conversion is absolutely crazy. Actually, no, it's 30%. 30% conversion rate. What the hell? That's mad. But look, I want to show you this. It says all access pass. It's only a 1-month-old listing, making over 3K, right? That's also really good. Like imagine they've already got listings and all of a sudden they thought, you know what? Let's put it all as all access. And then they're getting another 3.5K extra. Isn't that mad? So let me go to the store. I want to see how many listings they got. Just curious like that. Look at this. Guys, this is a new store. Oh, wow. That is amazing. Guys, this is amazing. This is actually amazing, right? I'll tell you why it's amazing. This store's only got 275 listings. It's only got 275 listings, right? And their all access pass was done last month and it's making over 3K. Now let's analyze the listings further. Check this out. This is amazing. This is telling you everything. It's a new store. It's a recent store. Let's see how old the store is actually. Actually, it might not be a recent store, but that listing is a very recent listing, the one that I showed you, right? That's a 1-month-old listing for free access. But this store has 200, how many does it have? Let's have a look because it should tell us once I've gone to all of it. Yeah, 275, right? Actually, a lot of their listings are very recent. Look, these are all 1 month, even though the shop age or the store age has been around for a while, to be fair. But I think they changed strategy slightly. But yeah, so basically, it's been around for a while. Okay, so let me go to monthly revenue, and just to sort it by monthly revenue because I got a feeling that the access one is the one that's making probably most of the cash. Yeah. Where's the entire store bundle? There you go. So there you go, guys. It tells you everything. Their whole shop, their whole access shop listing, which gives you access to the 275, is actually making way more money than any of their listings. The next listing, which is a book and flowers tumbler, is making $143 per month. And then after that, their next one is actually another tumbler, Capricorn tumbler, which is making $72. All of those were actually 1 month old listings, right? So they're recent, but way, 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 way ahead. The whole shop tumbler, the whole shop tumbler store access is making 3,546, and it's a 1 month old listing. Guys, this is telling you everything. It has 275 listings, and they created the whole shop entire store bundle, right? Now, I would personally say that as long as you got 200 or more, because you want to have a decent number, right? You don't want to go too little. I would say from 200 plus, you could actually put free. You could actually do a listing which has a whole shop or entire store access. Now, obviously, the more your images grow, the more your listings grow, they will still have access. And then obviously you can adjust your price accordingly. Because obviously if it's a listing of, say, if you got a listing of at least 200, 300, and they got access, that pricing is not going to be the same as if you've had 500 listings, right? But I think it's a good starting point to actually start this. Give free access to the 200 or 300 listings that you got, obviously at a reasonable price. And actually you'll be so surprised on how much traffic you'll get. Because the beauty about it is you get a lot of traffic and people start looking at your store as well, because it's so unsaturated to have a whole shop or entire store bundle on Etsy right now. Okay, you saw the numbers, the keyword scores are absolutely fantastic, right? We've checked it. You've got to do this, and this actually verifies, validates everything for me. I mean, this is only 275 stores. This seller's made 526 sales, right? But fantastically, and 526 sales, right? 526 sales. This listing has only been up for a month, right? Which is making over $3,500, right? You got to remember it's on a sale right now. Out of the 526 sales, this has already made 18 monthly sales in the last month. It's only been out for a month as well. This is by far making their money for the store by having that whole shop access. This is what you got to do, guys. If you do this, you have a fantastic income stream. Obviously, make sure you have enough listings just to kind of do it, merit it. If it's a low amount of listings, you can still have whole access, an entire store. Just make sure that you price it accordingly. As you grow, you raise your price, guys. Obviously, the more you have, the more you're going to get people that would want it. That's a fact. So my advice is keep listing, keep working, and they'll include those in your listing, include those obviously in the whole shop, right? So keep working consistently with your listings, guys. This should be a very, very big strategy for you to actually build your listings for the purposes of having an entire store, guys. So if you haven't got that as part of your strategy, do that now, guys, because this is going to make some crazy cash for you. Guys, hope you liked the video. If you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one.